Neha Suhasaria, and I'm founder for two companies, Nisam Consulting and SAS Legal. I started this company as Nisam Consulting because we faced so many problems in the real estate that people are not solving on day-to-day basis. All the customers are facing problems. And for SAS Legal, it is a B2B company. We started with a thought that okay, SAS is a growing area, and we being lawyers will have a better knowledge about how to go with SAS in the legal part, on the legal front. So it is a B2B business we started. So we started our business for SAS Legal a year back, and for Nisam Consulting 6 years back. It was difficult for Nisam Consulting, but with SAS Legal it was very good. Now we have big brands with us, big logos with us. We are growing at a very steady speed with foreign customers and US customers, and so many more we are going forward with. So for Swipe, I am using it since last 6 years. Since I opened Nisam Consulting, we were initially for a few, we were using some free platforms and things, but then we realized once we used Swipe, we realized it has a very chronological way, it has a very good base. It was a very good UI. Most I love is its UI. Such a great user-friendly UI, and even our intern, I ask them to raise an invoice, they are able to raise the invoice. The best part is user-friendly UI. Swipe has truly helped me. I'm at anywhere, being it is through the app, it is manageable. Even my interns, even my employees. So if I give access, they are able to do it. I don't have to be detailed about it. It was easy to start using Swipe. It has a great detailing about what customer needs, and also in SAS Legal we needed export invoicing, we needed SEZ part, we needed the LUT part, so everything was well covered with Swipe. I guess I use all the Swipe features, and all of them are useful. So problems I faced was initially not having a place where all the things, all the features at one place, we were not able to find that. But when we started using Swipe, it was very easy because we were able to have all the features we needed at one place. So it was very good. We had some issues regarding the transition for upgrade, but it was solved within hours. In fact, I should say within half an hour span. It was solved, and it has a wonderful customer care. It is cost efficient, and it is again same, it's very user friendly. I would really recommend it to other business owners because it gives you the flow. It have all the things at a place. It gives you the flow for all the accounting and invoicing, PO and everything. It has a very good flow you can move along with.